Alright, so we're gonna bust the lash gate wide open today. Just kidding, no I'm not. Alright, so I'm just gonna show you how I do my eyelashes, and I have pretty nice eyelashes. Alright, so here is the base coat product. This is in a black. I don't know what this is. It has BB on the thing. Okay, it comes with 2 wands. This one's a square wand, which is good for people who have long eyelashes and round eyes like I do. And then also it has a pointy brush, okay? This is what I use to get my lashes fully coated before I curl them. Okay, so let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Now I just curl them. This is it. Okay. And what I like to do is I like to get really close, pinch them up lightly, then press hard once I make sure that they're good. And I like to curl the mid lash lightly. Okay? Boom. That's all I do. Super easy. And yes, I point mine like away from my face. So yeah, that's all I do. Okay, before I start building on my eyelashes, I will go in one more time. Not with this pointy brush, but with the square brush. And I will get the big part in the middle so that my eyelashes look super long. And this stuff, for whatever reason, combs out nicely. A lot nicer than my other mascara does. So I use this to get the shapes that I want. Okay. Okay, that's it. Alright, now, last part. We're gonna use Lash Sensation. I've been using this for like 15 years. This is Lash Sensational by Maybelline. It's delicious. It makes my lashes super long. Okay, I will use this on my upper and lower lash. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and coat these with the Lash Sensational mascara to build up my eyelashes. I will use this on my upper and lower eyelash. So I just zigzag just the ends because for whatever reason this stuff likes to flake. And I don't like getting it in my eyeball because it hurts. Okay, so just build up the edges, make sure that they look super long and not super clumpy because I don't like clumpy. I don't like to look like I have little spider legs coming out of my eyeballs. And here we are. Yeah, I have good eyelashes and I don't put fake ones on because I don't like the glue. We're done. We're done. You like? This is how I do my eyelashes.